It's really hard to work and stay focused when you have a puppy. Oh, I can't. He's so cute. I'm not gonna get any more work done today. Alright, good afternoon. It is not morning. We got off to a bit of a late start because this morning we were just working on editing and figuring out what kind of editing software we wanted to use and some social media stuff. If you don't follow us, well, follow us at, what is it? Venture_Mesa.
There we go, yeah.
Yes, that is our handle for Instagram. I'm just gonna tell you guys what we have planned for the day. Yesterday, I really thought we were gonna get done more, but I just underestimated how tedious some of this work can be. Pretty much all day yesterday was just trying to get this wood insulated or installed, pre-drilling, and then screwing in all of these screws. There are so many, and then you run into little problems as you're going. It just gets very frustrating.
Just that set you back like a couple minutes.
Yeah.
It's alright.
A lot of little tiny setbacks, but it's fine. So today our plan for the rest of the afternoon is to get in the wooden beams. We just need to do this middle section, cut the wood, get that installed. Hopefully that'll take us an hour to 2 hours. Then we're gonna get the insulation in and then the wafer board on top. And if we just got that done for today, I would be a happy camper. But yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm going to get to work and I will see you guys soon.
Hey guys, so right now what I'm doing is I'm nailing all these little pieces down. So I have those two right there and then just a couple right there, right next to the driver's seat. And then right now Savannah is cutting the foam to put them in between them. After that, we're gonna put the subfloor in and then they'll start looking like somewhere where we can live. I'm gonna put you guys right over here in this tripod. And then have a little cool time lapse for you guys. Alright guys, so just wanted to show you guys what our outline looks like. We have all of the boards bolted down. I think I need to put another piece of wood right there, but bolted everything down. This is the hardest part. I think this metal is a little thicker, but we did all the way to the end of the staircase and along that side, and then we pushed that as far as we could to the sides of the bus. Hug that as close as we can. The same thing over here. We had to put this box for the gas pump because we don't want to mess with that. Kept doing that, and then the same thing in the back, and basically the same thing all along the way. Right now, Savannah's cutting the last few pieces of the wafer board, and then all we'll have to do is just put the wafer board on top of it. So.
Tip 3. Pro tip 3, don't leave your tools in the sun because they get really, really hot. I have to like cool it off.
It's recording. I'll just cut it out.
Okay. Alright, so we cut all of our styrofoam. Show them the pow! And now we're just gonna take our map here, and it's numbered, like I said, and all the numbers are on those pieces. So now we're just gonna fill in all the holes. So let's do it.
Yeah, you were smart because we have a little layout on this paper and we just numbered them so we don't have to go back and forth trying to figure out where to put them. So, cool. You ready?
Let's do it.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Alright, so our goal today is to finish the subfloor. We're just gonna get the wafer board on, and I'm gonna try to figure out if I can get this off. I think I'll be able to just unscrew these, and it looks like this is just held on by this like paint, I don't know, something. If I can't get it off, then we're probably just gonna have to like grind it off or something. But as soon as we get that done, if we get that done today, we want to start painting. So we have a little sander here. We're going to sand down the paint, and we're going to paint it white. I am so excited for it to be white. Yeah, so painting, we'll have to tape some stuff off. I don't know if we'll finish the painting today, but I would like at least to get the sanding done. And then we should have the painting done by next Monday. Anyway, that's what we're doing. Want to know what all that racket was? Yeah, we may just have to grind that out. I tried. It no wants to come out. How's it going?
It's hot.
Yeah.
It's really hot.
It's really hot. We're in New Mexico. What is it outside?
It's probably like 90 degrees, 85. I don't know. It feels like it's a million degrees.
Probably like 85.
I feel like I'm in an oven.
Rarely an oven.
Pretty hot. Actually, it's not too bad.
Inside
You're
the
in the
bus,
bus.
since we have insulation here and we have some airflow, it's
Yeah.
not.
Since the sun's blocked with the paper, and then we opened that back door and this giant door here, it's pretty good airflow. In here it's not that hot, but outside in the sun, it's hot.
I need you to come up.
You need my help? Okay, I'm gonna go help. Hopefully I'll actually help and not mess everything up. Alright, last piece, back to go in. And round two. Careful. Wait, look out.
What are you doing?
Don't push you.
Oh.
Well,
Beautiful.
I'm ready to screw it down now.
It got really, really hot this afternoon. It was probably 85, and it was really hot out there, and there wasn't a lot of shade. So we went inside, got something to eat, cooled off, and waited till, what is it, like 7-ish till it cooled off. Now we have about 200 screws to screw this down. Got it down, so we're gonna finish that up, and yeah, I'm gonna try to get that done.
I'm gonna be going quicker than you, so catch up.
So thankfully the bottom of that was just held down by some screws. The top looked like it had like paint or silicone. And that's all you need to get it off. So, there you go.
Sorry.
No, you're good. Nice. Awesome. All right, we are going to call it a night. I think it was pretty productive. We didn't get to paint, but that's fine. We got all the screws screwed in the floor. It's solid. It looks really good.
Yeah, with the paint, we were wanting to sand down the whole ceiling and just all the different crevices, but that's going to take a really long time. Going to be very tedious. And so we're going to see if putting Rust-Oleum on it, or the paint that we got is a primer, so it should hold up without actually sanding it, but we're going to test it tonight by just putting the dot.
We're just going to paint like a little corner.
Section. Yeah.
And then in the morning we'll see like if it peels. Is that what you're saying?
Mm-hmm. If it peels or something, because that's the main thing. If it adheres to it, awesome. If it doesn't, we'll see if Rust-Oleum works better. So, because we really don't want to sand, because there's a lot of different crevices.
So if we don't have to sand, we're not going to.
Yeah.
But anyway, we're gonna call it night. Right?
Right.
Night.
Good night, guys. Bye.
LOL didn't work.